Hi, good day to everyone. Today we will try to model this sheet metal drawing. Go to new, select part. Here you choose sheet metal, give a name, uncheck this use default, click OK. Choose MMNS part solid, click OK. Here the first one is we have to model this one where the dimension is given. So I have to model for 33. Select planar, select any datum plane, sketch view, draw a rectangle. The depth is 32 and the overall length is 33. So this has to be 33. So this is half of it. So 32 divided by 2. Click OK. And the overall thickness is 2.5. So you can able to see something like this. Click OK. Next, we should go for this bend. To do this bend, we go for flange. Click flange. Select the top edge. You will have a bend like this. Here in the shape, you choose open. So you can able to see a similar bend related to this. So the radius is 7.5. Double click, change it to 7.5. The depth is not proper. So to identify the depth, go to shapes, click sketch, sketch. Go to sketch view. If you look here, the depth is given as 32 from the center. The dimension is from the edge. So delete this dimension. So here you have a dimension here. This has to be 32. So this is your depth. Click OK. So now you can able to see the jaw. Click OK. Next, I have to make this bend. Again, you go to flange, select yes, select the top edge. You can able to see a bend like this. To modify this, you go to shape, sketch, sketch, sketch view. So here I will press Ctrl and dragging it so that I am keeping it similar to the diagram what we have. So this line, you delete it. We don't want the radius. You don't want the radius. Select the radius, delete it. Draw a line like this. Now go for dimension. Select a dimension from this to this. I don't want 45, delete it. So this has to be 150. And this has to be 5. So that's what it is given here. The overall depth, it is mentioned as 96. So go to dimension, select from here to this. This distance has to be 96. Click OK. So you can able to see your object like that. Click OK. Next, you will go to extrude cut. In your older version, instead of extrude cut, we can able to do that in extrude command. So here in newer version, we have this extrude cut as a separate icon. But in older, we can use the same extrude to cut that. Go to extrude, click this sketch view. So draw a circle. The radius of the circle is 11. So diameter is 22. Okay. So this dimension from here to here, this has to be 23.5. You also have a cut which is removed here, which is 3 mm. Go to rectangle, center rectangle. This is as a center point. I will draw a rectangle like this. So no need to worry about the length of the rectangle, but this has to be 3. Now you can able to delete the segments which is not necessary. This one, this, these things you can delete it. So you'll get a shaded view like this. Click OK. So this will make a full cut. Click OK. Next, we have 2 holes here. And we go to again extrude cut. Click extrude cut. Select this face. Sketch view. Draw 2 circles. circle 1 and circle 2. The distance between the two circles is 10. So select this two circle center point, mark it as 10, and the diameter of the circle is 6.5. Now the overall depth of the distance of the circle is 53 plus 23.5. Let me create a dimension. Go to dimension from here to this. This is 53 plus 23.5. This is the location. Click OK. Next, we have one arc-like thing which is available here. It's of radius 80. To do that, again, we will go for one more extrude cut. Select the surface, sketch view. So go to arc, 3 points. Just select 2 points here, first point and second point, random points. Then make sure you get a tangent symbol related to this. Click it. It is asking a radius, so radius has to be 80. It is 80. So the arc will adjust accordingly. Now draw a line outside this by closing this as a sketch view. So this will be removed. Click OK. So this part will be removed accordingly. Click OK. The last part is you go for this engineering round. Select a radius of 3. So select the corners. So first corner by pressing Ctrl, second corner. Similarly here by pressing Ctrl, third, the last one, fourth. Click OK. So this completes our sheet metal. Thank you.